Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So as you guys know, we are doing PR unboxings over here every other Saturday, and on my Life of Maddie channel, we are doing videos every Monday there. And those videos go live at 5:45 Pacific Standard Time, PM. And then these videos go live every 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Saturdays. So yeah, anyways, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, enter the giveaway with the link down below. If you guys see any scammers that are responding to you in the comments, ignore them. It happens on everyone's channel right now, so it's really unfortunate and annoying, but I'm doing as much as I can to prevent it. But make sure to enter the giveaway through the link down below. And let's go ahead and get on into the video. All right, so first off, we have a package here from Kate Somerville. If I can, oh, there we go. I can open it up like this. Look at how cute that packaging is. And this is the Exfoliate. So this is the resurfacing body scrub. Something that I've been noticing lately is that a lot of brands are actually coming and focusing on the body, because I feel like we've been focusing so much on the face and the skincare for the face, but we're not really focusing on the body. And I've been seeing a lot of new products pop up recently about this, and I think that's awesome. So this is a resurfacing body scrub. So this actually be really good if you're trying to like exfoliate before tanning. But basically it's going to get away any dry, rough, and bumpy patches to reveal polished, radiant, ready to go skin without leaving it dry, tight, or stripped or anything, which is great. Like if you have those, like I get those little white bumps like right here. So if you got those, that will really help with that. So that is awesome. Thank you, Kate Somerville, for sending this over. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So this is from Saturday Skin. They sent over some minis, which would be great for travel. We're all starting to travel a lot more. And they start at only $11, which is a great price. So these are the little minis. So we've got the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream right here. I love this eye cream. It's a great day eye cream. It goes awesome underneath makeup. Then we've got their Pore Clarifying Toner, awesome little travel size right there. We also have the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is an amazing moisturizer, especially again for the morning underneath my makeup. I have kind of dry skin, but it's a combination actually. So I don't like to do anything too heavy underneath my makeup. Otherwise I become just like a slip and slide. So that's why I love something that's more like a gel cream, because it's not too heavy and it doesn't make my makeup move around. And then we also have the Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. So this one is very moisturizing. So I would like to use this one at night. So thank you so much to Saturday Skin for sending this over. And I almost forgot to show this little guy. This is awesome. I love this. It's a special mini tool for your Saturday Skin minis. This is so cute, a little eye one to really like depuff and everything and get the blood circulating. So I love that. Thank you, Saturday Skin. Okay, so next up we have a package from IT Cosmetics, and oh, this is Celebrate Mother's Day. Oh my goodness. I'm a little late on this one. Okay, so they sent over their Superhero Mascara. We also have, oh, I love this cleanser. So we have the Confidence in a Cleanser here. Love this. And then I think it's a Confidence in a Cream here too. Yes, yes. This is a really good moisturizer for nighttime. I love this one at nighttime. It makes your skin feel so soft. I am super pumped for this right here. So I got a package from Zitstika, and it says, we're so excited to introduce you to Goo Getter's Big Sis Face Map. Face Map is a member of the hydrocolloid fam, ready to target your oily areas and cluster zitty zones. Ooh, I love that. With Face Map and Goo Getter in your arsenal, your zits will be taking the next train off your face. Ooh, I love that. So you can get Zitstika at Target. You guys, these are nice. They're a lot more affordable. I have tried other ones that are like, you know, from Sephora that are more expensive, and they did nothing. These work wonders. I use these ones all the time now, and oh my God, I cannot believe it. It feels like there's like little needles and it goes on and you feel it instantly working, and it actually zaps the zit like overnight. Amazing. I tried out some other ones I forgot from the other brand, but it did nothing for me, like absolutely nothing. I didn't even feel them working or anything like that. So these are truly like awesome. So if you deal with breakouts or we all get a pimple every now and then, pick some of these up. It's awesome. So again, these are the Goo Getter Surface Extraction Dots. They work wonders. So this is the face map that they came out with, and it looks like you just put this in different areas of the face. and it just sticks on, and you leave it on for 6 hours. Oh, you leave it on for 6 hours? But it's supposed to really absorb that excess oil, unclog pores, and flatten texture. So that might be interesting to try out. I'll have to try this out overnight because 6+ hours, yeah, I would do this overnight. So I will let you guys know how that works out. So thank you so much, Zitstika, for sending these over. I'm so happy to be restocked of these. I've already went through like 2 boxes. I love them. It's a big skincare week, you guys. And this one is from Soul. And this is a brightening body lotion. See, this is what I'm telling you. I'm noticing there's so much coming out for the body right now. And this is Get Your Radiance On. This vitamin C rich body lotion instantly replenishes with vital antioxidants and hydration for brighter, more luminous skin. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm actually going to use some of it. Let me take off the top. I don't have any lotion on my arms right now. Oh wait, actually I did. I used a Gradual Tanner today, which I've been using a new one, and I can't wait to talk to you guys about it. But we'll put some of this on there. Ooh, it smells really good. Smells like a creamsicle. That's what it's like, a vanilla creamsicle. It does give your body some luminosity too. Gives it like a really pretty glow. So that's actually really nice. I'm glad I used that. So smells amazing. Love that. Thank you, Soul Body, for sending that over. Ooh, what do we get here from Patchology? Let's see. Hey there, we are excited to share the new launch with you. Role Model Smoothing is one of our favorites. So these are the role models right here. They're Smoothing Jade Roller Eye Serum, Brightening Roll-On Eye Serum, and Moisturizing Roll-On Eye Serum. So these are eye serums. I cannot wait to try these out. I think I'm gonna really like the smoothing one. Sounds nice. The brightening one sounds nice. Moisturizing at night, brightening maybe in the morning, or smoothing in the morning. I can like go back and forth. Let me show you guys what it looks like though. These remind me of those like little lip glosses. I gotta remember not to use that, but they remind me of those lip glosses back in the day. And you would just roll it on. Oh, you know what? It's also really nice and cooling. So that's really nice too. Definitely gonna have to give that a go and try that out. Don't leave that one out there so I can give that one a try. So thank you, Patchology, for sending those over. Next up from Good Molecules, we got more skincare. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, discoloration correcting body treatment. We are in a body season right now. Let me tell you, formulated with cetyltrenexamate, a lot of words, that targets discoloration and they promote an even skin tone. So I actually would like to use this on my arms because when I'm not self-tanning, because you can't see it, but if I am like completely not self-tanning, you see my skin, I'm very fair and I get red all right here. Just like, I don't know why, but I get red right there. So I would like to try this out there. You can apply morning and night to the areas of concern, avoid direct eye contact. So can't wait to try that out. Thank you so much, Good Molecules, for sending that over. And this retails also for $15. And by the way, I link everything down below. I'll put the brand name, but I'll link the product that I'm talking about. So you guys can check that out and it will take you right there. All right, so next up from dermae, we have the Ultra Lift DMA Concentrated Serum. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it's a Firm and Lift line. And so we've got that serum right there. And then we also have their stem cell eye lifting treatment as well. And their firming DMAE moisturizer. So this is, I don't think have I heard of this line? Spring into Clean Beauty. So I'm guessing this serum is what's really new. It's 100% vegan, cruelty free. But this is cool. This is a great little system right here. I think it's new, but you can definitely see some really good results. Firm and Lift. I like that. So thank you, dermae, for sending these over. We'll have to try these out. All right, so next up from Emile Cordon. I have not gotten stuff from them in a really long time, but they have the most amazing lip pots, you guys. Like, so good. I remember I even gave one to my grandma. My grandma was like obsessed with it. So let's see what they sent over here. A classic everyday lip balm for beautiful lips. In the greatest respect of the classic lip balms, its formula has been precisely optimized for comfort and long-lasting moisture on the lips. So did they reformulate it? I think they might have reformulated it. Oh my God. And I love these. I gotta save one of these for my grandma because I know she loved it too. So there's like different kinds. So we have the classic. Let's just, I'll show you guys the classic real quick. This is what it looks like. They changed their packaging too, and it's just like that. And you just go, They're so good. So they sent over that one. They have different kinds. We have white truffle, Hampton summer, French pear, and elderflower. Let's check out, I want to check out French pear. So French pear is like this, and they're just clear. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but I just remember that the original ones were, oh my God, so moisturizing. Oh, I just lather my lips in it. So good. So I will try these out. You know what? We'll go ahead and put French pear. I'm just gonna scoop, and it's literally so creamy. Oh, you see? Do you see that shine? I'm telling you, they are so moisturizing. Oh, they feel so good. It's amazing. I love these. These are amazing lip balms. So definitely check them out. I'll have them linked down below of where you guys can find them. I got this really cute package from Over right here, and I love this little case. So they sent over, this is called the Operation Happy Nurse, and it retails for $49. It's available already. And so they sent over the foaming vitamin C cleanser in here. You also have the HD volumizing mascara. Then we have the hand cream, and we've got their powder, which is like a banana powder actually. Yeah, banana powder. So this is gonna be very brightening underneath your eyes. I love that. And I like it that it's in like a press compact. And then we have the lipstick right here, and this is the vitamin E lipstick. So this is definitely like just really good for your face, just skincare, everything. I love that. So thank you, Ofra, for sending this over. This is such a cute little case too. Oh my God, I love this. So this is a great little traveling kit right here. So thank you, Ofra, for sending that over. All right, so next up is this really cute package right here. I just see the rainbow and it's so adorable. So thank you. This is from Carter and Daisy, and it's a collaboration with Ambush with Boys. Carter Daisy sent this over. I love the fabric of her t-shirts, and oh my God, I love this. This is beautiful. I love the colors. So beautiful. Oh, that is so cute. And then she sent it over for both girls. So this one's for Rai Rai. So these ones are the primary colors. And then these are like kind of like the soft pastel ones. So this is beautiful. So you got one for Kinsley and one for Riley. Definitely check this out, you guys. I'm going to link her store down below. This is so cute. I love this design. It is absolutely stunning and just great. So definitely check it out down below. Fabric is so soft. Fabric is so good. So I love that. So thank you so much for sending this over. I can't wait to put the girls in these. All right, so last but not least, package from Redken. I have really been enjoying their shampoos and conditioners. I use their brightening one about every so often, like kind of like once a week or once every other week. And then I also love their like Lynx one, which is really good. So they sent over a new one. This is the new Hair Strength Repair Hero. So introducing acidic bonding concentrate pre-treatment. Oh, this is so cool. So excited for you to try out the Acidic Bonding Concentrate Intensive Pre-Treatment, our latest and greatest addition to the ABC line. So we've got, oh, I love that. They sent over a shower cap. I always shower with those, so that's awesome. Because I try not to wash my hair too much because I have extensions. And it would just take me forever to just constantly do my hair. So they sent over this right here. So Intense Conditioning Fortified. So basically with this line, it improves breakage reduction, reinforces weakened bonds, multi-use treatment, pre-shampoo treatment for silk, conditioned, soft hair. Hair is 2 times stronger. I need this. This is amazing. So this is the intensive treatment right here. And the way that you use this is you apply to damp hair, you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse, then you apply the Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo. So you do this first, leave it in, shave your legs, do something, relax, watch a YouTube video, and then go in with the shampoo, and then you go in with the conditioner, and then this is the leave-in treatment right here. So I am so excited. I also love their packaging too. It makes it easy for me to get the stuff out of there. So I really appreciate it, Redken. Thank you for sending this over so I can try it out. If you are a blonde, definitely check out the brightening one. It's in the purple containers. That one I've been loving. I have so many empties already filled up, and people were asking me like, when are you gonna do your empties? I gotta do it soon because I have a lot of products to talk to you guys about, but I really appreciate it, Redken. Thanks for sending that over. That is everything for this week, you guys. A lot of skincare, so much skincare, a lot of body care. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And I will see you guys over on my Life of Maddie channel on Monday, and then back here in a little bit for another PR unboxing on Saturdays. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.